Hi everyone, I'm Gareth and this is my colleague Gilly. We're both ex-primary school teachers and part of the education team with Clevertouch. And Clevertouch are really proud to announce the launch of the latest update to LYNX Whiteboard. That's our free to use presentation software, LYNX 8. 8 Reasons to Love LYNX 8 are the series of videos that you're now watching one of, and we hope you enjoy them.
Welcome to LYNX Whiteboard, and this is another one of our reasons of why we love LYNX 8. So we're going to have a little look at some of the LYNX activities here. So I might be at the board doing a little bit of a lesson, teaching some maths, looking at some algebra here, and hide and reveal to reveal our answers. Now I can make it even more interesting. I can go into our activity sides as well. So if I just click on here, it will take us into a quiz that I have already built. So you can get your students to engage, they can all sign up to this as well, or you could just do it front of class at the board. So you can be clicking to reveal your answers. So I can click there to have a go at my answer. I can reveal the correct answer. If you've got a few students on, you can also have a little look at the quiz, who's getting them correct and things like that as well. So you've got a few different ones there. Just work your way through them. Again, it's all completely very editable and you can change it at any time. So if I just go in here and I exit that activity, I can have a little look at some of our other activities within LYNX Whiteboard. So here we've got lots of activities there. This is where I built the quiz. We've got polls, we've got pairs, we've got the flashcards. But then if I scroll further on down, so here we've got lots more activities, all STEM-based activities, and they're designed by a company called FET, and you have absolutely free access to them. You can search through for various ones here at the top as well, and if it's one that you want to interact and engage with, you can just click on it and it will take you into your activities there. Because we've been looking at algebra, I've got one here that we'd already started. So if I click on it, I can go in, have a little bit of a game and interact with it even more. So up here at the top, I can just bring those up. So I've got 2 red, 1 silver, bring them on and I can check my answer. Now, if this is an activity that potentially I want to build into my LYNX Whiteboard, all I'm going to do is click on the link up here. I'm going to copy that, go back into my LYNX Whiteboard presentation. I just have an image here. It can be a bit of text if you want. Little 3 dots, click on that, go into link, paste that link in there and click OK. So now if I go back into my presentation mode, that will take me directly to that FET activity that I want to use. So it's a great way of just having that quick access that you can really engage with your students using LYNX activities.